Hey guys, welcome back to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. It was listed for like 1 minute. I went bing, bada, boom. Bam! I got it. So it was in their shed. They had no longer use for it. And now it's mine. So I've had a few of these. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So stay tuned. What do we got? What are we looking at? So this is one of the Bolens Rototillers. And this one, I picked this up for pennies on the dollar. I've had a couple of these already, and they sell pretty well. So we are going to check this out. So let's just go over it a little bit. Bolens by MTD, 13 inch, 22 inch, or 24 inch. So you can adjust the tines on it. And then it has the Briggs & Stratton 5.50, 158 cc's. See if there's an actual model number on it for you. Here's a model number. There we go. And I just drained out some of the gas, so it had bad gas in it. So the tank looks nice and clean in there. And I haven't taken this off yet, so we will put some starter fluid in it and see if it'll even fire over. That's one of the things I like to do. Let's check the oil. I haven't did that yet. See what's going on in there. Oil looks clean. So rototillers, you know, these things only get used like pretty much seasonal, and then they set around for the rest of the year. But this one looks like it will fold up, so these handles will come off. So you have a pretty small footprint in the garage. Has this little wheel on it on the front, so you lift it up and wheel it around on the one wheel, just like that. So pretty nifty. Not too bad of a design, and I've used one to till my garden. So let's put the starter fluid in it, and let's see if we can get it to fire over. So we're just going to take a screwdriver and see if we can get this off. Right here, this air filter. Alright. Let's pull this off. Oh, look at that. What a design that is. So it's hard to get that off. Ooh, the filter looks pretty clean. Let's see what the filter looks like. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Looks relatively clean down in there. So let's put some starting fluid in there. Alright, let's see if we can pull her over. Why me holding the phone? Almost. Alright, so she fired over. That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and put some gas in there, and we'll find out if it'll run. So looks pretty clean in there. Let's go get some gas. So we got some gas in there. Now if you're doing this without cleaning the carb, then just put a little bit of gas in it. That way, in case if you have to actually clean the carb. So let's go ahead and see if it'll pull over and run on the fresh gas. I want to show you guys. So it is squirting in there. Let's go ahead and show you here. So the primer bulb, you can see the gas actually squirts in there. So that's good. So it's coming up in there. So what we did was what's called a quick and dirty. So what you do is you get it running, and then you either press the primer bulb a bunch of times to get gas in there, or you take and squirt starter fluid in there to keep it going and see if it works out whatever's in there clogging up the hole. And it looks like it's worked. So let's go ahead and try it again. So the quick and dirty seemed to work. Hey kitty, there's the kitty cat. She's out here helping me today. Alright, so we got the filter back on there. Let's go ahead and see if the tines work. Well, let's go ahead and try it out here a little bit. Fantastic deal I got here. So it tore up the grass. All we had to do is a quick and dirty on it, which is as you start it up, just start primering it or put some starter fluid in there just to keep it going and work whatever's in there out of it, and then it'll stay running. So hey, we'll catch you next time. This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers.